I'm gonna start working on the dough now. Okay, usually I dust the board. The pizza is a little sticky. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna work on the pizza. I like the dough is very elastic. This is a dough that I prepared yesterday. I'll let it stay in the fridge for 24 hours. It's ready to go now, and you're gonna have a wonderful pizza. Okay, so I'm gonna finish with the water. It's a little sticky. We're gonna dust it off a little bit. Okay. There you go. Alrighty, we're ready to put our pizza on the tray. There you go. Alrighty, beautiful dough. Very easy pizza to make. When you don't feel like cooking, you can just throw, pizza. And then for the dough, I have one of my recipes that I think I have. You can always click. You can always go to that video and then learn how to make the dough. It's very easy to make. Very, very easy to make. Here you go. Now we're gonna put the topping. I'm gonna use sausages and chicken at the same time. Okay. I'm gonna use just one sausage. It's a chicken apple. So I'm gonna use just one. Alrighty. I'll use one. Cut my sausage like so. Just to cut it. Okay. This is how I cut it. And I cut it again. I cut it again. Cut it in half. And then I'm gonna cut in dice. Just like so. Just like that. All right, next I'm gonna use about 3 pieces of chicken. This is chicken breast that I cut yesterday, and I'm gonna use it to make some pizza. It tastes so good. Okay. Okay. So now I'm going to use some tomatoes. See, they're beautiful. Those are tomatoes that grow. I just picked from my garden earlier. So I'm going to use it to make a fancy, somewhat pizza. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to cut it like so. You're gonna cut it, okay, like so, in small pieces. I'm gonna make the pizza look fancy, like I bought it at the restaurant. Look at that. They're beautiful. They're beautiful and sweet potato tomatoes. Wow, amazing. You can grow tomatoes. I grow tomatoes, peppers over the summer. So I like to use my own. Look how beautiful they are. Look how beautiful those tomatoes are. See? They're very juicy. Very, very juicy. Okay, this is what we're gonna garnish the pizza with. Alrighty. So now I'm gonna add the tomato sauce. And add the tomato sauce, about a cup or so. About a cup. Just like so, a cup. And then I like to season my pizza. I'm gonna add some oregano leaves. Not too much, but just to give it a kick, okay? I'm gonna add some spice, like some Loris, a little bit, okay? Last but not least, I'm gonna add some pepper sauce that I made, okay? Have a complete pizza, okay? So we're gonna spray the sauce throughout the pizza. Just like so. We don't want to add too much sauce because you know why? Your pizza gonna be soggy when it's done. And so when you cut it, you're gonna see a fountain of water all around. So you don't need that. So the less sauce, the better. Okay, so we're gonna add our cheese now. I preheated my oven for 400 degrees. Okay, I'm gonna work on the cheese now. This cheese is already sliced. You see, this is sliced already. Okay, some of the cheese is already sliced. Okay, there you go. We gotta leave some space in between for the tomatoes. There you go. Beautiful. Beautiful. Already. Alrighty. I like my pizza to be very cheesy. I love it. Okay, so we're gonna place our tomatoes in between. Okay. Make it a nice fancy pizza. It's beautiful. There you go. Okay, we have one here and then perfect. So what I'm gonna do, what I like to do, okay, I like to add some shredded cheese. Okay, all over like that, like so. Just to complete the pizza. Have a complete pizza. It's gonna taste beautiful, I guarantee. It's gonna be very cheesy, very nice, very fancy. And the kids gonna enjoy it, I promise you. They're gonna enjoy it. So now we're gonna add our topping. We're gonna add our chicken. Okay, all over. Be generous. I add my chicken. Okay, all over. And now we're gonna add the sausages. Okay. It's a nice chicken sausage pizza. It's gonna taste good. It's gonna taste good. I wish you could be there. I wish you could smell it. It smells so beautiful. Okay, that's enough. We don't want to bombard the pizza with the cheese and we don't want to bombard it with the topping. This look beautiful, good enough. And so I warm up the oven to 400 degrees, and I'm gonna bake the pizza for 20 minutes. And so the pizza is ready. It's beautiful. All right. And the pizza is ready. See? Very ready. Look beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna pull it out. See, it's beautiful. Nice pizza.